Hi there, my dear Leo friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your weekly reading commencing 18th of November. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Leos. Just take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave that don't resonate, okay? So if you will like my reading, please don't forget to comment below, share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste. Let's begin. Okay. Um, Happy full moon. It's full moon today, Friday, 15th of November. So, my spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear friends for the week commencing 18th of November? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear friends for the week commencing 18th of November? My spirit guides, what are your messages to our dear friends for the week commencing 18th of November? Oh, wow. Jump out 10 of diamonds. That's deep energy. Right. Mm. 7. Right. Right. The bottom of the deck is, let's see. All right. For some of you, you are tempted in here. There is a big temptation in front of you, and I think for some of you, you will be tempted for this, okay? And this temptation, if you will let yourself be involved with this, then there will be it will create a problem in your life. You will be, for some of you, you will be involved in a scandal, disputes, a big fight, yes, and there will be like a misfortune that is going to happen. This one will make you very upset, and you feel like you will be in danger for some of you. So if I were you, you better step back from this and don't let yourself be involved with this temptation. Okay? Because look at the back of the card, of the temptation card. It's a 10 of diamonds. This is the card that jumped out while I was shuffling the card, the 10 of diamonds. See? There is a business success in here, lots of money coming in your way. But if you will let yourself be involved with this temptation, this is a big problem, a big scandal. It will give your life, uh, uh, it's a really a negative energy. You will be involved in a toxic situation. you will be in a big trouble. Your reputation, especially if you are in a higher rank in a company or in a job, it will ruin your good reputation. So think about it. And yes, and then look, the third card is for some of you, you are happily married, but please, if you are happily married or in a committed relationship which is been for years, so why let yourself be involved in a temptation? Okay, so if I were you, I think you better step back from that toxic situation. Okay, let's see, there will be a malicious gossips um that will explode. You will be the center of the rumors, the gossips. Might be in a television or in a radio. It's a big scandal. I can see it in here. And it is really make you feel bad, upset, depressed. But let's say it's karma. It's karma. Especially if there is a betrayal. Betrayal, yeah, deceit, then that's what you get from that temptation. Okay, if just for fun, then just in a short period of time. But remember, the damage has been done. If it's this situation already happened. But if for some of you, if it is still just only in front of you, then avoid being involved, because in here there's a lot of achievements, a lot of accomplishments that you are going to deal in the future. Yeah, you will be having a lot of achievements and accomplishments. Yes, and yeah, it's in the card that someone really admired you a lot, and this is the one that will take first step to approach you. Yeah, and please, please, um um be wise. I know, Leo, friends, you are very smart. That's why most of you are leaders and successful entrepreneurs, you know. Um, but um, but some of you are weak with, if someone tempted you, especially. I know I don't blame you because Leo, individuals look sexy, attractive. You are the center of the eyes of the people. If you're in a group, you are the center. Okay. So with this, there is no secrets. There it will still be revealed. So it's a massive shakeup in your life, especially if it's a big scandal. Okay. So think about it. If you want to have a peaceful, quiet, happy family life, if you've got a family, if you're committed, then better to focus to your family, to your loved ones, and to your job or to your business. Okay. um Six of Hearts, meaning for those who are struggling at the moment with monies or struggling with in their life, not only financially, or for example, if you're applying for a job and then it's like you are in the waiting list, then Someone is going to give you a help, a big help. Yeah, and then you will be happy with this, and you will get what you want. It is an unexpected windfall or sudden windfall or unexpected good luck that's going to happen in your life. And with this, you're going to start a new chapter of life, of your life. Okay. So with this, you are glowing up. Most of you Leo individuals, I can see that you are glowing up. Happy family, happy life, business success, abundance, prosperity, and healthy. So in that situation, if you are in that situation, of course, there's always a temptation, a test that will be presented in front of you. So it's up to you. And if I were you, you have to be wise. Think before dipping your finger to that um, situation. Okay, because it will really, it's a massive shakeup. Okay, Seven of Diamonds. This is about an argument that you are dealing with regarding finances or in the job. It's about money, and it will be sorted out very soon. Okay, so if you are claiming for something about maybe rebate or maybe payback or yeah, something about money, you will have it. You are going to have it. Okay, so you will receive a good news about that. And for some of you, someone is getting married in here or going to have a baby. Someone's pregnant, yeah, and is going to deliver the baby, or maybe it's you. Okay, or some of you, you are now planning for your wedding. Okay, yes. Five of Diamonds. Wow, it's a massive change in your life. Massive change, big changes, unstoppable success, my dear Leo friends. Okay, so buckle up your seatbelt and then be ready for these massive changes that is going to happen in your life for the better. Okay, it's diamonds. Diamond means money, material wealth, energy, power. Okay, success. Okay, legal judgment. Okay, it's about career as well. There will be a positive opportunity in here for those who are looking for career. Okay, abundance and prosperity. Yeah, for most of you, well, most of you layers, you will be receiving financial abundance, prosperity in your life. So please, if there's temptations that will be presented in front of you, then please just ignore. Ignore. King of Diamonds, that's you. For those who are male, ah, and it's a fire sign, fatherly. Yeah, male, energy, fire sign. This is you. This is really you. I can feel it in here. It can be an Aries, Sagittarius, but I strongly feel that this is you. This is you that is associated with these cards. Okay, so please avoid temptations. See, Three of Diamonds. Um, there is a legal arguments that is going to happen. You will be involved in a scandal. Okay, for those who are who are in a big company, and it's a big you know you will be involved with that negative um, situation, then legal arguments, you will deal with this, which is It will just ruin your life. So think about it. Okay, this is a warning card. So for those who are not dealing it with yet, so just remember this warning. Okay, it I can see it in here that for some of you are complaining of upper back pain, chest pain, um, yes, consistent chest pain. So please, if it's on the right side or yeah, please seek medical advice. If you have history of heart disease in the family, then better to see a doctor and check your blood level. Okay, especially if you're already in the middle age, yeah. Um, and it's about osteoporosis. Yes, osteoporosis. Yeah, upper back pain. Yeah. So pay attention for what your body is crying for. If it's crying for help, yeah, then don't ignore. Okay. Let's go to the tarot cards. What's the message for you? For the message for you. Here. My spirit guides. What is your message for our dear friends with the week commencing? Oh my god, week commencing. So just commencing because that one jumped out. Oh, right. Um, right, okay, right. The bottom of the deck. Let's see. Because I have here two now. The bottom of the deck is Page of Swords. It's a yes card associated with Gemini energy and aligned to the planet Sun, which is conscious, your consciousness and your ego. And it is aligned as well to the root chakra. Okay, so this is curiosity. So, okay, so if for some of you, most of you are leaders or bosses or you will receive a significant information and so you were asking here to use your logic. Okay, you will be curious what is in the, especially if you will receive the significant information and you will be curious of what is in that information. So use your logic. Okay, and be vigilant. Okay, it says in here, because you are the one who is mentally quick and subtle. Okay, so I think with this it will help for your promotion if you are planning for a to apply for a promotion. Yes, yeah, so with this is like a significant information that is aligned to your plan. Okay, so let's see. King of Swords, it's a prosperity card. Truth, it's a yes card associated with Libra energy, aligned to Neptune. It is about feelings and feelings and no ideals and intuition. Okay, so yes, it is aligned as well to the third eye chakra. So it's a double confirmation that you should trust your intuition and follow your instincts in here. And so for those who are authoritarian Leos, so you have in you are so I mean um It says in here, an emotional, analytical man of authority who makes balanced judgment and gives excellent advice. Wow. Yes. So, if you are a leader, then your subordinates really admires of how you handle the team or the group or the company. So as I've said, that you will you will receive a recognition in here or a rewards for being a good leader. Okay, it is acknowledged and appreciated. Yes, so they are recognizing your being a good leader. Wow, Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups. It's card for outpouring and blessings that is coming into your life, my dear Leo friends. So please don't deal with bad situation that is presenting, that will be presented, or maybe it is already happening in your life. No, better to leave that toxic situation and face this positive um, energy that is given to you. It is a yes card associated with Pisces energy and Leo, I mean Scorpio energy, okay, and also a Cancerian energy. So it's a water signs energy, okay, and this is aligned to the crown chakra, okay. So for those, as I've said, so if you are already dealing with this toxic situation, leave that behind and start a new life. New beginnings in here is presented, new relationships, okay. If you are dealing with um if you are the third person in a relationship, better to leave that. My god, you're sexy, you're attractive, you are you are beautiful, my dear Leos. Okay, so please, I can see it in here that there is new relationship, new romance. Love is on the air. It is coming to you. There is a divine soulmate that is really for you. So there will be happiness, joy, conception, fertility, pregnancy, and a celebration, maybe a wedding, yes, or an anniversary, socializing, an upsurge of new feelings. So this is a positive card for you, my dear Leos. Okay, so let's see what is the angel advice for you, to my dear Leo friends, for the week commencing. hmm, the week commencing 18th of November. Um, right. The bottom of the card is 17. The Star, Major Arcana. The Star, Archangel Jophiel. Happy times is now going to happen in your life. Make positive, optimistic, long-term plans. You are on the right path. Okay, so please do not be involved with toxic relationship or toxic um, things that really because you are destined for greatness, my dear Leo friends, for most of you. So please, the main card is number 21, the world. Archangel Michael. A job well done, joy, contentment, and gratitude, the path toward enlightenment. Okay, so let's see what is the animal spirit guides for you, my dear Leo friends, for the week commencing 18th of November. Okay, Right. For offspring, author, it's time to kick back, relax, and celebrate all that you have. Joy arises from success in your career, the completion of a project, or a very happy home life. See how positive what is really destined for you. Okay, so please do not be involved with any toxic situation. Okay, Prince of Spring, passionate, charismatic, confident, restless. Dolphin, an opportunity arises that needs your attention right away. Moving quickly is important, yet there is nothing you cannot handle if you follow your inner guidance. That's right. Okay, let's see for those who are seeking an advice from the spirit guards regarding their job, career, or business. See. Okay, the bottom of the card is frozen. There may be a hiring freeze or no new work now. Being aloof can leave you out in the cold. A warm follow up gets you in the door. So follow up. If you applied for a job, then follow up. If you applied for something, then follow up. Follow up. Consistent follow up. Okay. So, magic. Believe in magic. You have the power now. Use your magic to attract what you want into your life. The sky is the limit. Yes, my dear Leo friends. Believe on that. Okay, that is really a beautiful um, message for you, my dear Leo friends. Okay, for those who have one question that is seeking for a yes or no answer, think about it now. Okay, I'll give you the answer. Right. Let's see. Yes. Wow, it's a yes card. It's a good investment. Getting paid, savings up. Wow, my God. There was only a one negative card in the beginning. That was a temptation. It's a no. So no and yes, it's maybe. So think. And then if you feel like you are confident to do that, then do it. Stormy relationships. Trouble strikes uproar. Oh, if it's about relationships, as I've said, for those who are committed and then you jump out and had some fun flirting like that, it will be revealed. So it will cause problem in your um, relationship with your loved ones. Okay, so think about that, my dear Leo friends. Okay, thank you so much. And if you like this reading, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Love and light. Namaste.